Good morning, gang. Welcome back. And if you're new, welcome to my channel. I'm starting a business from £0 reselling. I'm 3 weeks and 1 day into it, and I've made nearly £1,000. So if you're trying to find ways to make money, this is it. Go back, watch the first few videos, see where we're up to now. But today, I've got to go post this bag. I've got, I think, 7 items that I need to go and sell. So straight to the lockers, post those. I need to quickly go to Tesco, and then I'll be back here. It's, what time is it now? It's 8:30. I've been up working for 3 hours. I've been up since 5. I can't stop. Like, if there's a little bit of sunlight out, I'm up, I'm working. So I've been uploading some new stock. I'm uploading everything to eBay, my clothes. When I originally started, I had all like my electrics, my games, DVDs, all that stuff only on eBay. And then Depop Vinted was my clothes. But I'm thinking next Friday I go up to Bradford again to see my girlfriend, and I'm there for like 8, 9, 10 days. eBay, you can put it on holiday and you can still get orders through. Depop Vinted, unless I take everything with me, I need to put them on holiday mode and you can't get sales. So I'm going to pause both of those, list everything onto my eBay, and then hopefully I can still make sales while I'm away. There's another tip for you. Yeah, so I'm going to do that, come back, upload some more stuff. If I think of if anything else that's working for me, I'll tell you. And then hopefully tonight, depending how far it is, I'm going to be going to another illegal rave. It's bank holiday, it's a Friday, it's going to be massive. I really hope it's close to me, because tomorrow I'm up early. I've got things to do tomorrow, so I really hope if it's like an hour away, that's fine. If it's 2.5 hours like the last one, I can't be bothered. And yeah, if you're interested in that, go back and look at one of my previous videos. But right now I need to go and drive, going to go post these, so I will see you in a bit. Just posted my items, came home, went on my emails, had 2 orders, and now that I've got those orders through, I'm exactly at £1,000 in 22 days. Absolutely buzzing. That was my first month target that I wanted to hit. I actually in my head only thought, like, you know what, £500 would be okay. But after the first few days when like sales were flying in, I thought, nah, fuck it. Let's go high, let's go big, let's dream big, let's go for 1,000. And I have put in the work. I know like 1,000 isn't like a lot of money. I understand that. But now that I'm getting used to it, I've got a routine, I've got all these things listed and I've got more. I know where to get stock from and so on. I don't see why I can't get more and more and more. So it is possible to make money with 0, and I am living proof. So I'm not here to celebrate. I'm here to carry on working and make it skyrocket. I've got a box here of more stuff. 2 North Face things that I'm going to list. I've got a North Face thing here, but it's got like reel up or something on it, so I don't know if it's actually going to sell very well. I'm going to list it anyway. It's still North Face. Even if someone buys it as like a undertop to go hiking or something, it's still good quality. And then this box, fucking hell, I can't stop burping. Yeah, I'm going to list these. 2 of them are quite thick, more like winter stuff, even though it's coming into summer. But I did sell one of them the other day, so that's why I got this one. So I'm hoping it goes as quick as that one. Hopefully it's because of the brand. The brand might be good and I undersold it, I don't know, but I just want it gone, to be honest. And then I can stick to trying to find more like festival stuff and summer clothing. I want more like good t-shirts, thin jumpers, shorts especially. I had 3 pairs of shorts this whole time out of maybe like 300 items of clothing. Maybe like 3 shorts. 2 of them sold instantly. And I've got 1 more pair that's getting loads of likes and favourites, but they're not buying it. It might be because the price is a little bit too high. But again, it's getting traction, so it'll go at some point. I'll just leave it. Yeah. Right. Gonna get back to this, make some more money. We've got someone coming round this afternoon to fix something on the toilet. I went downstairs, opened the door, and then just got some parcels, and something was addressed to me. I never get any letters. It's so nice of these people. It's a parking charge notice. Love that for me. But I do not agree with these people. You wouldn't know this part unless you watched any of my travel stuff. When I was in Australia, I got a fine on my e-bike. It was like $600 or £300 for something ridiculous. And I smarted the system and ended up leaving the country, didn't pay it, never going back. They can't take any money from my account because it's zero, and they can't do anything because it's an Australian accredited thing. So I have used ChatGPT, my best mate, and I've organised how I'm going to do this. I've sent an appeal, I've sent an email, and I need to wait back for that. The place where I went to and why it's so annoying is it's a friend's house. He needed me to take stuff to the tip. You saw me last week, I collected some bits from him. So I've collected like the DVDs and stuff, and some other stuff needs to go to the tip. And I think it was about a year ago, he had a work accident, completely shattered all of his pelvis. He's still kind of like recovering. So I was parked for 18 minutes, didn't even know, he didn't even tell me about it. So yeah, it's just ridiculous. He's going to email his house owner, landlord, hopefully he can just cancel it for me, because I am there helping him with no intention of like breaking the law. I didn't know. And these private companies are just fucking scum. And I am a scumbag. And I'm not going to match them because I'm better than that. They're not getting my money. So I'll keep you up to date on that. But other than that, I haven't had any more sales today. I think I've had, I don't know what I told you I had earlier. I think I've had, what have I had? 2 or 3 so far today. But yeah, just ticking over. I have uploaded, I think, 5 things. Just going through this box. I'm doing it like every 15 minutes, as I said to you. And then, yeah, fun times. Still waiting to hear about this illegal rave tonight. I'm certain it's going ahead. I just don't know where it is yet. And I really don't want to find out at like 10 PM that it's ages away. Is what it is. Anyway, that's a quick catch up with my life. How are you? Good morning, gang. I had a disaster last night with the free party, so I didn't go, otherwise I'd have shown you it. Basically, so there's 4 different lines for it, and it was saying Leicester, Milton Keynes, Peterborough and Grantham, and it's all, I was like within this square, so I thought I was going to be really close. Waited until 9:30, then they changed it. Then it was like Birmingham, Leicester, Doncaster and Rotherham. So I was like, oh, I really don't want to go that far. My mate was waiting in Birmingham for like 5 hours. And then when it finally started to like come out, it was way up north. It was like near Lincoln, like where we went to the last one. And it was like 11 o'clock and he had to drive all the way down to Cornwall. So we just thought, fuck it. Rather than go in and then he had to drive 7 hours this morning, we just didn't go. But I've been up this morning. I've been in a rush. I've been to a car boot. I got really good stuff. I spent like 50 quid. I'm just helping someone now with a MOT and then driving back, and then I'll show you all the stuff that I got. I actually got some fucking bargains today. I spent £15 on 3 items. That's £10 on 1 item is the most I've spent at a car boot, and it's a Ralph Lauren polo, and I'm pretty sure I'll get, well, at least 20. I'm happy to get a tenner for it back, but I'm going to do a bit of research and list that. But I'll show you all the bits that I got because it was good. There was a lady doing, the last person I went to, a whole bunch of clothes on the floor, 50p each. I got a Barber, like grey polo top. So yeah, it did well. Yeah, I should be home hopefully in about 20-30 minutes, and then I'll show you what I got, and then yeah, go from there. It's a heat wave as well. It's ridiculous at the minute. I've been fucking sweating all day. It's nice though. Don't know what to do later today. Might see if some of my friends are about, but no hope in that. They've all got kids and jobs and shit. Yeah. Oh, it's so hot. But I just got back. I'll show you what I got. I paid £50 and it is pretty good. Alright. I paid £1 for Mario Kart, so that's great. This Lacoste jumper, I paid £1. This Voy jacket, £1. This Ralph Lauren polo, or not polo, but jumper. I paid a tenner for this, but I know that's going to sell. Polo Ralph Lauren, I paid £3 for this. This kids Nike jumper, I paid £1 for this. These Reebok cargo pants for girls, they're sick. I paid £1 for that. this brand new Nike top with the tag. Like, I don't really know what, like a running jacket, but that's cool. I think that was 5. This Barber polo, 50p. Jack Wills top, 50p. It was in a bundle. This Solomon running top thing, again 50p. This Adidas, I paid, I think it would have been £2.50 because I also got that Ralph Lauren thing with it. This Alessi jumper, it's really cool with the zip. I like that. I was given this for free. This Liverpool top, I think, was 50p. This England thing was £2 because I got it in like a bundle with other clothes. This Reebok jumper, awesome. This is Badman, I love this. And I think this will just sell because festival season. Got this Kids Lakers thing. Again, this was in one of the bundles, so it was probably about £2. Nike t-shirt. Nike t-shirt. They were both 50p. This Alessi jumper, £1. Gant shirt, 50p. This next thing, 50p. Again, because everything was cheap, I just wanted to fill it up. This New Balance like running thing. I don't know if it will do too well because of this, but New Balance is good, and that was 50p. This Salt Rock hoodie, 50p. And this John Lewis shirt, 50p. Bargains. Now, I need to spend some time listing some more products. I need to obviously make some more sales today. These will all need to have photos taken. And I'm away tomorrow, and the next day I'm going to the cheese rolling. So I'll probably get all of it photoed today so that it's ready. And then I can just list throughout the week. And over the weekend when I'm away, I can just keep putting them up. But yeah, that's where we're up to today, gang. Oh, I missed one. Hold on. Sorry, I also got this old school Arsenal thing for 50p. Oh, well, free for £2. And this Adidas top as well, which I forgot about. But yeah, I'm going to photo it and then I'll come back later. There we go. So now I've been listing those items. I've got loads here. I just need to start packing these all away. I've had 3 sales today, so I'm going to post that tomorrow. But I'm going to leave this one here. And tomorrow morning I am going to my sister's with all my family. So I probably won't film anything there. But afterwards I'm actually going to see my dad. I haven't seen him in ages because I've been away. And he lives on a canal boat, on a narrow boat. So if you want to follow and watch the next one, that's what I'll be doing. I'll show you around his boat because it's actually really cool. Just have a few beers with him. And then the next morning I'm going to the cheese rolling. So subscribe, follow along for that. Again, drop me a comment, please subscribe, drop me a like, and yeah, see you on the next one, gang.